The majority of tools in AutoCAD can be called into use in any one of the following 5 ways. With a click on the Tools icon in the Dashboard palette, with a click on the tool's name in a toolbar, by clicking on the tool's name in an appropriate drop-down menu, shows the tool names displayed in the Draw drop-down menu, by entering an abbreviation for the tool name at the command line in the command palette. For example, the abbreviation of the line tool is L, for the polyline tool it is PL, and for the circle tool it is C. By entering the full name of the tool at the command line, in practice operators constructing drawings in AutoCAD may well use a combination of these 5 methods. The arc tool. In AutoCAD, arcs can be constructed using any 3 of the following characteristics of an arc: its start point, a point on the arc, that is second point, its center, its end, its radius, length of the arc, direction in which the arc is to be constructed, angle between lines of the arc. To call the arc tool, click on its tool icon in the 2D Draw control panel or click on Arc in the Draw drop-down menu. A submenu, Draw drop-down menu. Shows the possible methods of constructing arcs. The abbreviation for calling the arc tool is A. First example, arc tool. Left-click the arc tool icon. The command lines shows command underscore arc specify start point of arc or center 100 220. Specify second point of arc or center or end 55 250. Specify end point of arc 10 220. Command. Second example, arc tool. Command. Right-click brings back the arc sequence. Arc specify start point of arc or center C as center. Specify center point of arc 200 190. Specify start point of arc 260 215. Specify end point of arc or angle or chord length 140 215. Command. The ellipse tool. Ellipses can be regarded as what is seen when a circle is viewed from directly in front of the circle and the circle rotated through an angle about its horizontal diameter. Ellipses are measured in terms of 2 axes, a major axis and a minor axis. The major axis being the diameter of the circle, the minor axis being the height of the ellipse after the circle has been rotated through an angle. To call the ellipse tool, click on its tool icon in the 2D Draw control pane or click on its name in the Draw drop-down menu. The abbreviation for calling the ellipse tool is EL. First example, ellipse. Left-click the ellipse tool icon. The command line shows command underscore ellipse. Specify axis endpoint of elliptical arc or center 30 190. Specify other endpoint of axis 150 190. Specify distance to other axis or rotation 25. Command. Second example, ellipse. In this second example, the coordinates of the center of the ellipse, that is a point where the two axes intersect, are entered, followed by entering coordinates for the end of the major axis, followed by entering the units for the end of the minor axis. Command: right-click, ellipse. Specify axis endpoint of elliptical arc or center C. Specify center of ellipse 260, 190. Specify endpoint of axis 205, 190. Specify distance to other axis or rotation 30. Command: saving drawings. Before going further, it is as well to know how to save the drawings